One for a baby, Mommy. Look, I have 2 for 2 adults and I have 1 for a baby.
Jacob! No, you don't have to peel it. I saw it hit his head. Be gentle. Isaac, you want to feed the cows? Isaac, okay, Isaac, here, you take the orange and throw it to the cows. Good boy. Say yay me. Beautiful curls. Love that hair. Lucas! No fighting. Can I have an orange? I didn't do it. Are there any oranges left? I didn't do one. Oh wow. Cow abuse, cow abuse. I got that on video. Back up, back up. Back up, back up.
Yeah, he landed on it.
Fix your shoes, okay? Erica! Erica! Erica!
I think he's looking for the person who did it to him. I'm scared.
Why are you scared? I told you to back up. It's not funny.
Wow, they make pretty big footsteps, Mommy.
That's more than just a footstep, sweetheart. Why are you scared? You're just...
Can I sit right here?
No, you can't sit there. I want to get a picture of your pretty outfit. Back up. You look very pretty today. High five. Fist bump.
You put this on my tail.
I know, I picked it out. Hey Jay, you having fun?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, look at they're fighting, they're fighting!
Back up. Just like you guys fight, huh?
919! 919! Oh my gosh!
Isaac, are you having fun? Say yes. Nadia, are you having fun?
Yeah, Mommy, but for me, I planted the farm.
Yeah, my house is a farm. So Daddy, are you having fun? Daddy, are you having fun? Is Mommy having fun? Yes. Ooh. Good boy. He left you hanging, Carrie. He left you hanging. He left you hanging. He didn't fist bump you. There goes the tongue.
Yeah. I don't know where he gets that.
It's part of his thing, Carrie.